Here's a quick tutorial of how to see what RAM type, and amount of RAM that you have. It's a dmidecode -- type 17. So go ahead and type this in as sudo, and it's going to show you what the RAM amount or the RAM stick in each slot. Hopefully they're the same, but you know what? You never know what you're going to do. It tells you the RAM speed. It also tells you the part number. So with that part number, you can just select it, and of course, type it into your friend Google. Here we go, Google. And it's going to tell you it's a genuine OEM 16 gig laptop RAM because it's a laptop. It's exactly what's in it. PC4 21300, DDR4 2666, non-EEC buffer. There you go. That's it.